So Anthropic is now watermarking the model's output. I mean, it's a bit fishy how quickly they responded to the EU's request to do this. And I mean, if you spend any time actually working with AI, you can very easily tell when something is just AI generated. With text or copy, it's not this, it's this, it's a bunch of M dashes everywhere, which is like the two dashes. On web design, you'll notice everything is just a card, there's pills everywhere. Text is probably just in uppercase as well, and a lot of purple, which is really unfortunate for me because it's actually my favorite color. So how Anthropic is doing the watermarking is, well, let me explain LLMs first. It's just a probability machine. So if you say X, Y, chances are the next thing is Z. So that's kind of how all LLMs work. But how Anthropic is saying that the watermark will work is that there'll be a key that only they know. And if you say the sky is, and then the next word might be blue or gray, and then based on their key, they might, suggest that the next word be gray. And that's how they'll be able to tell, okay, yeah, this was generated by Claude or not. And again, that doesn't really make sense to me because like you can sense when something's AI, and now you're just going to sense that even more because if all of these AI models have their own keys, then they will all start to have a certain tone. I mean, recently my coworker was telling me how he learned about GitHub, and he was saying how it's just a Google Drive for code. And I got really happy because I'd actually watched the video that gave the same analogy. So I asked him if this is the content creator he got it off. And he laughed and he said, no, I've watched like 5 videos. I've asked ChatGPT and he gave me the same analogy. And I got so annoyed because these people would just ask ChatGPT, got in a script and just read the script. They didn't actually think of the analogy itself. And so it turns out Anthropic is going to have an API where you can give it a bunch of content and then they will give you a score of if it's Claude generated or not, which makes sense why they did it so quickly because it's just another way for them to make revenue.